Welcome to Hoyist.com. This is Noor, the founder and CEO. So I have started a playlist in which I will be trying to teach you how you can start a successful web hosting business. So in today's video, we are going to see how you can set up WHMCS currencies. So let's get started. Before getting started, I just want to walk you through with our reseller hosting services. If you go for our reseller hosting, we are starting at just, if you scroll down, we are starting at just $4.99 per month. We are offering 50 client account, unlimited NVMe, 4 GB of RAM, unlimited email accounts. Inodes are unlimited. Like suppose if you go for any other web hosting provider, they are not offering unlimited inodes, and 4 GB RAM is also an add-on at Hoyist.com. If you go for any other web hosting provider, they are not offering 4 GB RAM. Okay. Then next is we are offering 3-month discount on 2 or 3 year purchase. If you go for 2 or 3 year billing, your 3 months will be free of cost. Okay. Like suppose you will get an extra 3-month discount. Okay. Next we are offering free domain name. And if you go for next our reseller hosting, we are offering free WordPress manager, free website builder, free cPanel Lightspeed is also free, email filtering, SSL certificate, auto SSL, and all SSL certificates are free. Okay. We offer free malware protection. We offer free website migration. If you have hosted you are hosted already at any other reseller hosting provider and you want to migrate at Hoyist.com, you can just open a customer support ticket with us after purchasing the plan, and we will migrate your whole reseller hosting accounts, okay, as per our terms and conditions. Next is we are offering optimized WooCommerce. Now this is a feature at Hoyist.com that 99.99% reseller hosting provider don't offer. Okay, we offer free WP toolkit, and our servers are completely optimized. Like if you want to offer your client subcategory web hosting such as WordPress hosting, WooCommerce hosting, you can offer them with the WP toolkit add-on. Like if you go for any other reseller hosting provider, for example, Namecheap, if you go for WordPress, if you go for NameHero, ChemiCloud, or any other reseller hosting provider, they are charging, they don't offer WP add-on, WP toolkit add-on. Okay, if still they are offering it as an add-on, and they charge about $5 to $9 per month to add this add-on into your reseller hosting. Okay. Next is we offer developer-friendly reseller hosting like SSH access is enabled, Git support, Bash, Terminal, Laravel, Ruby, Python, Node.js, Django, MongoDB. Like if you and on-demand backups is another feature at Hoyist.com. If you go for any other reseller hosting product, on-demand backups are not available. 99% of web hosting product don't do offer on-demand backups, but we offer on-demand backups as per our terms and condition. You have to follow just them. Okay. Next, we offer resources usage, the report, Ruby version selector, PHP workers, which are cron jobs. They are available and unlimited. Okay. Next is 99.9% uptime, multiple PHP versions, auto SSL certificates, 24/7 server monitoring. Like these features are not available at Hoyist any other reseller hosting product, but at Hoyist we are offering this feature as a free feature. Okay. This is a guarantee. If you go for any other reseller hosting provider, they are not offering. A few are offering, but they are offering this as a paid add-on. Okay, like if you want to offer your client Node.js web hosting is separate category like Node.js hosting, Ruby hosting, Python hosting. If you scroll down with to our my menu in our to the footer menu, you can see here we are offering also subcategorized web hosting. The internet reseller web hosting is another web hosting. Radio hosting is another hosting type or category. If you want to purchase those, we do offer internet reseller hosting, but for right now we are on let's come to our point. Next is we offer a reseller hosting advanced plan at just $10 with 200 client account. Agency and business plan come with limited client account, and agency plan come with the 500 client account. Now we are offering 4 GB of RAM and free domain name. Now this is a guarantee. If you go for any other web hosting, they will not offer you free domain name with this pricing structure. And if you go for monthly basis, still I'm saying their pricing will be double. Like they will be offering 10 to $20 to $30 per month on a monthly basis. Okay, but if you go for Hoyist.com with monthly basis, your domain, your billing will be same. And if you go for yearly or 2 or 3 year billing, system, your domain name will be free. Okay, so I would suggest you to look our check our reseller hosting plan. If you haven't choose any other reseller hosting product, and if you choose and you are stuck with that reseller hosting product and you want to migrate, just visit our website and you can open customer support ticket. And right now we have a WhatsApp customer support also available on you can use this icon to access our WhatsApp customer support. Maybe this customer support come to an end within a month, 2 months or 3, I don't know, but right now we have free WhatsApp support customer support available. Okay, So let's get started with our video's topic. Now guys, in today's video we will set up WHMCS currency. So let's get started. I'm logged into my WHMCS currency primary page, and here you will scroll down a bit. You will find the currency option. Okay, make sure to set up a product here. I'll remove this product and let's go for the posting here. Right now, if you search here, there is no currency option right now available here. It might. Okay, so guys, we do have an option. Now let's see how we can add a currency. By default, WHMCS do have a currency which is USDT. If you will go for the country, if you will select here Pakistan, India, or any country, the currency will automatically be changed. Like if you will go for India, the currency will automatically set up as INR for default. If you go for Pakistan or Bangladesh, the pricing will automatically set up. Okay, now let's see if you want to add a custom pricing. I'll go for a euro. The first thing you have to provide the euro currency code. Like I'll go for here euro. You have to provide the name, then the leaf prefix. I'll look. Okay, so and the let's add the prefix. Prefix is basically the sign. I'll go and copy this sign here. I open this tabs already to show your time. Now this is the format of that euro sign. If I go here and add here like Pakistani rupees, euro to euro, and if I search here and if I go and provide here $100, you can see here this is just in point configuration. So we'll leave it as it is, and then the last thing you have to do, and here you have to provide here one. And if I go here, you can see here this is the basic configuration. You provide the currency. Basically just go for provide your base currency. Provide here the base currency $1. Like if you are going for 1 rupee, provide in the 1 rupee here, and then copy the configuration. If you basically if I go for INR, I'll go for here and INR. If I have to enter I want to use here INR currency, I'll just paste here my base currency $1. Or sorry, this currency, the currency that we are going to add here, one. We have to provide here this detail in your WHMCS. Okay. Now let's see how you can add it. I'll add INR, PKR, and BTT also. Okay. Provide here the euro here and sign is here. If you want to add here this suffix also, you can, but I will not. Then add currencies. Okay. Then just click on this update product prices as soon this page saves, because it might take a second. Update product prices, and as our product prices are set up, if I go on the page and reload this page, there will be an option called here we can change the currency and go for euro here. You can see our pricing is not changed. Now how to add INR here? I'll same go here on this page and we will set up here INR, and we have to add here the sign. I'll go for here INR sign. I'll add a PKR also. Wait for a few minutes. Okay, wait for a few seconds. Okay, I'll go for only a $1. Sorry, 1 rupee INR, and we will add this also and just provide here the INR. Make sure to leave this currency exchange. No, PKR for INR and PKR. I don't know for BTT. So select this currency conversion, because we do have currency conversion like this. Okay, we can go for $86.00 or $8,600 600 rupees 0.56 paisa. Okay, we can go for this. So make sure to select this format. Okay, then add currency, and then same click on the update currency price. And if I come back and reload this page, you can see we can change to INR. Okay, basically we face an issue. We have to select this format. I already told. I have to go back, guys. And we are on the INR page, and from the INR page we have to select instead of 1000 this. So this one, I think so we have to go for this one. I think so. Let me check, guys. We have to go for this conversion rate format. If I go here, go back INR page, and I'll just have to select this one. Save this setting, and if I reload this here right now, we have to go back again one more time to update the prices, update the product prices. And if I reload it here, what's the issue, guys? Let me actually again use this. Personally, I don't add INR in my site, but this is not at all useful for INR. I don't use INR personally in my whole life. There's some facing the issue right now. This is, I think so, default. Okay, update the product pricing, and I'll reload this page again. This is again 0.1, and what's the issue, guys? I think so. We have to go for pasting a $1. Okay, and then copy this $85, because I think so this is the primary issue. just copy this, save this one. Make sure to check this option. I'll forward, I'll update it again, and I'll reload this here. Okay, so our pricing is now updated, guys. This is how you can set up INR. And if I go for PKR, I'll go for back here, PKR. PKR don't have a symbol, so I'll go for PKR, same here. Base conversion in this, and the exchange rate is 78. Okay, 278. If I add here the currency, I just need to click update product in prices, and if I reload this again, and here we can choose PKR from the end of the list, PKR, and our pricing is now updated. Okay, $1 is $270, so it's updated. If you want to go for adding BDT, I don't know BDT sign, BDT Taka sign. Sorry guys if I'm not pronouncing the right your language or your currency. If I go for adding in BDT, I'll go for previous, and I will go for BDT. And then the base conversion is, let's get the base conversion. BDT sign, go back, dollar to BDT. Okay, I'll search for $1. Yes, so $2. Okay, $2 to BDT, and go for here and copy this configuration. Okay, then paste this currency conversion here. And I think so BDT is also on the same track like PKR and INR. No, this is basic the main. Okay, select this one and add this. And if I go and again update the product pricing, I reload the page and continue here again. And if I go here on the BDT section, click on the BDT, here our pricing is updated. Okay, this is how you can set up WHMCS currency. Thank you so much for watching this video. Take care.